Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to set out of Office in Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Google account here. You will find your profile picture here if you are using the Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, all you need to do if you are using another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you will need to search for Google or search for the Gmail. You can do it by going to Gmail, and here after you connect to your Google account, you will find this Google Apps icon. You click on it, and here you will search for all the icons that are contained here, and we are going to choose calendar as an application. After you click on it, it will give you the access, and it will redirect you to the Google Calendar web application. And now you will need just to follow these simple steps, and the first one is to create the set out of Office task or timeline. So basically, either you can just click like that, and another thing, and it is an important thing, you will need to have like a working email and not a regular one. So you will need to have another domain, so of your company or your school or etc. Basically, I have a simple email or the regular one, so I won't have this set out of Office option here. But it can, those steps can apply to all the features of Google Calendar like events, task, and reminder. And basically now, you will need either to set out manually the timeline or the time where you are out of Office by dragging and scrolling and hovering to the timeline. Of course, you need to click and scroll or hover to the days or the time where you want to be set out of Office. And basically, I'm going to choose like that. And let's consider it is an event, but you will have another option here that is called set out of Office. And of course, it will have the title out of Office. And of course, you will have another option. You will need to check it here that will give you or to refuse all the meetings that you will be added to because you are out of Office. You will have another option to check, and you will check it. And after that, all you will need to have is to click on save. Of course, there will be another description, so when other people invite you to an event, they will be or they will receive another notification that say that you are out of Office, and they will be able to see a description or the message that you have appointed here. And basically, let's just make it like that, out of Office. And I'm going to click save, and basically it will appear like that, exactly like that in your calendar. And of course you can edit the times, so let's go for edit event, but it is set out of Office. And of course you can choose the time and choose the time and the day for your out of Office, of course. As you can see, now we have it like that in this timeline, but you can like reduce it by clicking on this and choosing another things like another day or anything. And basically you can just go like this, and we need to have another like here, and let's have it for example like that. And of course I'm going to click save, and as you can see the time is changing in my calendar. So basically this is how you can set out of Office in Google Calendar web application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.